Today we're here to try this new, it's actually a Captain Crunch brand, but it's the Flash, and it's cinnamon bolts. So the cereal all looks like the bolts of lightning. You can see the flash. Okay. There's no marshmallows in this one. Stand up straight. Oh dear, he's leaning over. So I've got my Tony the Tiger bowl here. Okay. They're supposed to be cinnamon tasting, so let's try it out here. That is cinnamon tasty. Cinnamon tasty? Cinnamony tasty. I know it says Cap'n Crunch, so the cereal it's the cereal itself kind of has that crunch of Cap'n Crunch, but not quite as hard as the Cap'n Crunch cereal is. Sometimes those are so hard they especially the rectangle ones, they kind of chew up the top of your mouth, the roof of your mouth. These are actually softer, so they don't do that. So I like this cereal, actually. So I'm going to give it an A. It's got a nice taste. It's softer than the usual Cap'n Crunch cereal. It's still crunchy, though. I found this at Target. So anyways, I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.